So if you're anything like me, you've got a business to run. You're busy running your team, building business operations, working with clients. Do you even have time to post on social media? Today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how I spend just 1 hour per week creating content and then distributing that with AI and some cool software I use. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. Been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with 2,500 clients, and these videos, I'm gonna get straight to the point, share my screen, and walk you through the exact steps on how to automate your social media using AI. And if you want the full system on how I do this, I'm gonna share it right here with you. Just comment system down below. Somebody from my team, send it right over. All right, so you ready? Let's dive in. All right, so step number one is we're gonna go over to my AI prompts here. Now my AI prompts are something that I give away, and if you comment in system, you're gonna get to this bonus section where I'm gonna give you every single prompt. Let's navigate to social media prompt, and you're gonna click this Google Doc. It's gonna pull open my simple social media automation. From there, all you have to do is fill out this blue part, make it all about you, your business, who you help, your ideal customer profile. You're gonna copy this whole thing. You're gonna head over to ChatGPT and you're gonna plug it in. Now don't start yet. I need you to go back and I need you to go record some sort of video or audio. Just like this, I recommend creating a video and then using that for your content. And that's where I spend my 1 hour per week. I spend my hour creating videos, helpful videos with education to share with you so you can use this for your business. Now, after you record that, it's easy to turn that into a transcription. I use Loom, so Loom automatically downloads that transcription from me. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna hit copy. I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna paste that in right after my prompt. Then I'm going to hit enter. Now, if you're not using Loom, you're just creating videos on your phone or your camera, you can upload this to a software called CapCut, and you can use their free version on the web browser to go ahead and get free captions for your video. Now, from there, if you don't feel comfortable on camera, you can go ahead and record just an audio with your phone or on your laptop, teaching and coaching something. That's what I want to encourage you to do, is use this to teach, educate, and provide value. Now, all of a sudden, I've got all these posts that I can copy and paste into my social media channel. The next thing I need to do is use a good software to schedule these out. I recommend using a software called Go High Level that automatically lets you schedule and post and even helps you get this content out to make it resonate with your audience. Now, what I'm gonna do is go back to my prompt. I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom and you're gonna see that I'm gonna say thank you. You don't have to say thank you. And I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna ask it to make me 30 versions of this social media post. Now I've got a whole month's worth. Now, I really do break this down. Just for the video, I said 30. But I usually break it down by series of 5. I post Monday through Friday. Next, I'm gonna go over to Go High Level. If you're interested in a CRM or something to manage all of your leads, your clients and customers, save you time and money, consolidate all your software, I recommend Go High Level. My affiliate links down below. I'm gonna go ahead and click on New Post, and you're gonna see that it gives me social media planner templates. You can use AI. You can really use any information from here to help you fuel and automate your social media posts. Next, I'm going to choose one of my social media channels, and then I'm going to go ahead and create this post. Now, I'm going to create an image from this video. So if you're recording yourself, recording your audio, you've got a mic, snap a picture just like this, and you can insert that. That way it makes it relevant, helpful, and relatable to people watching. Head back to ChatGPT, and you're going to see that it's going to give you not just a social media post, but a social media post with a hook, relatable problem, brief, unique mechanism, and your call to action. What you're going to do is go ahead and copy each one of these. You're going to head back to Go High Level, and you're going to paste this in. Now, I'm going to save some time here. I'm going to get right to the point, and I'm going to go ahead and say, go ahead and send this to my website, and you can put your website link in there. I'm going to head over to my website, throw that in, and paste it. Next thing you can do is you'll see that it gives you options for posting now, scheduling, send posts for approval from somebody on your team, or even schedule a recurring post. I'm going to schedule this for next week at the exact same time, and I'm going to get that scheduled. So if you're a business owner and you don't have time to make content, or you feel like you're not posting social media consistently, social media has been one of the biggest drivers for my business. But what you need to do is learn how to automate it, and don't use AI. Every time I make a post that is fueled by AI, it looks bad, it's not relatable, no one cares, no likes, no comments, no engagement. So use words that you say in audio. If you're on a podcast, copy those. If you can create videos, that's the best. Download those transcriptions. Use AI and a software like Go High Level to get that automated for you. And like I mentioned before, comment system down below so I can send you this full system so you can copy and paste all these prompts. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribed. If you want to learn more about this marketing automation follow-up stuff, check out this playlist right here. So I hope to see you in my next video.